Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing. Actually, not sure if it's unboxing or just showing shoes new that I've got, but and the model is just Reebok Princess Face Woman Classic, and color is, I don't know, it's white, but it's tinted gray or something. It's like darker white, like gray. Oh, it says porcelain white and black. Weird, because it doesn't have any black. So let's open it. Ta-da! So here are the shoes. Let's show you. One and another one. Here is the code if someone needs the same ones. So here are model name listed, and shoes are like little grayish. It's like old Princess Reebok, but it's not white as this thing is white, and this shoe is like gray. I like this model, but this just is little. So here is the shoe. It's made from leather, and inside it's a limited edition Reebok Face Stockholm. So yeah, there's something inside. Hope it's not sticking inside. Okay, and here is another one. This one has face, Reebok Face. This one has something else inside. Beauty, Wheat and Grace since 1982. So yeah. And back looks like this. Bottom looks like this. So yeah, that's new shoes that might return, or maybe I keep them but different size, or maybe I will switch to different model, as I like classics different style too, as they have more thicker here, so maybe it's better. I don't know yet, we will see. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next videos. Bye.